blessing. Yeah, baby girl, you a blessing, 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 blessing. The way you walk, you got it. The way you talk, you got it. The way you smile, you got it.
Back to my channel. We're back once again with another video. Are you guys excited? I'm excited. Well, okay, so before I get into this video, I'm gonna go ahead and I want to thank my supporters, everybody that's been liking, commenting, and sharing my other videos. I thank you and I appreciate you so very much. So today I got something different for you all. It's pretty different. So today, as you can see, I don't have on my nails. I took them off for the sake of this video. I'm gonna be doing my nails today. I'm gonna show you how I do my nails. I'm not a nail tech, by the way. I want you guys to know that I'm not a nail tech. I've been doing my own nails now for about a month. I have not really perfected it. It's to me it's a mess, but I do the best I can. So bear with me, okay? So, but it's not just gonna be about me doing my nails. It's also gonna I keep saying a lot. It's also gonna be about how we make color acrylic. Now, I have not made color acrylic before. So you're basically about to see how I deal with this, how I make it for the first time. I looked it up. I watched the video and I put it to the test. And the items that we're gonna be using, I found in my household. You may not have some laying around, but it's not gonna cost you more than like $5, depending on which one you get. So we're gonna be using some chalk. Mine's got stars on it, but the piece that I cut, it doesn't have stars on it. Like, yeah, okay. I'm gonna be using some chalk. I'm gonna be using, I don't know how this is gonna work because I never used this before either. Some sandpaper. I know y'all like, what does sandpaper gotta do with her making colored acrylic and doing her nails? Well, you'll see later on in the video. I never did it before, but we're gonna try and see if it works. Because I'll explain later. I'll explain it to you later. I'm gonna try to see if the sandpaper works because I don't have the little sanding machine. Like literally, y'all, this is for the average person. I don't have a sanding machine. I don't have none of that. All I have is basic stuff that we're gonna have to work with, okay? You're also gonna need, of course, the simple plain stuff when you do your nails. Okay, you guys, so first we're gonna start with pushing our cuticles back. You want to make sure it's pushed all the way back. So once you put your acrylic on there and you finish with your nails, it looks very much more natural and, you know, easier to work with. So I'm just gonna push my cuticles back and I talk to you once I'm done. So now I'm just going to go in my nail polish remover. You want to get all the other nail polish off and make sure your nails are dried up to get ready to put your nails on. And now I'm just taking it and just filing my nails into shape. As you can see, I may be doing some stuff a little backwards, but like I said, I'm not a nail tech, so do not judge me. I'm just doing it as I go along and doing it the way it works for me. You could do it the way it works for you. It doesn't matter. And now I'm about to show you guys as I'm filing my nails into shape. I like to file my nail straight up and down because that's the way our nails grow. And also in my Kiss kit, I think it was Kiss, the one I used to have, it said something about you should always file up and down because that's the way it grows. But you will see me later on in the video filing side to side, but that's only when I'm blending the fake nail with the real nail. So
yeah, you guys, and I just need to, when I adjust the camera, it's only because I want to make sure you guys can see everything I'm doing. But you want to make sure you file straight up and down. But you could do it the way it works for you as well. You don't have to do it my way. But I'm going to do this to each one of my nails, and I see you once I'm back. Okay, so now I'm taking my dehydrator. You can find that at your local beauty supply stores. I got mine from Sally's, but I'm going to apply the dehydrator to each one of my nails, and you want to apply it to only your nails. And this just helps dehydrate your nail to get it all dry for when it's time to put the fake nails on. And now I'm just going to take the fake nails and size it up. And as I'm sizing it, you're going to see me actually trimming it as well to get it to fit my nail, because these kiss nails, they came a little big, so I have to trim it up to fit my nails so it can be like tips and not like a whole fake nail. But as I trim it and size it, I'm gonna glue it to my nail as well.
Okay, so now you're gonna need your scissors. Okay, and let me show you this. This is what I got so far. I need your scissors and your sandpaper. Ouch! And your sandpaper. I'm just gonna cut a piece of this. You can go in the corner. I think I want to cut that. Cut about this much. Okay, so I cut a little square here. Ooh, I cut a little square here of the sandpaper, and so break it down. So we're gonna take the sandpaper, and I don't know if I want to fold it or what I want to do. You know what? I'm gonna take my nail filer and see if that'll maybe help. Okay, we're gonna take it. Oh, that's what you get that in. And we're just gonna, yeah, like that. And then we're gonna take it and we're gonna sand this out. Okay. So weird. Y'all may say, oh, that's crazy or whatever. Well, I like to get creative. And, you know, some people, they have the sanding machine or whatever they can use. I don't have that. I have the sandpaper that was in my house that I use. So I'm taking it and we're just going to go in with it like this. And it actually works. Oh, my God. It's working well. Oh, my God, y'all. This is my first time. I promise, my first time using this. I have not ever done this before. Let me put it to the edge so maybe I can do this a little better with y'all. So this is what I did. Take it. I'm gonna rub like that. But of course you're gonna do it a little harder. I was trying to show you for references or whatever. Excuse me. Oh my God. This here. Oh my God. Like, I'm so mind blowing. This may take up, I'm talking and everything. I might have to just do a voiceover or whatever. But this here works. Oh, like let me turn this music down already. I am astonished. I think that's oh my God. Look, you cannot tell me that don't look like my real nail right there. If I was to polish this and file it, you know, to where it's right, you can't tell me that don't look like my nail.
Okay, so now what we're about to do, we're just about to take our sanding band, I guess you could call it, or whatever, our sandpaper, and we're just gonna sand these fake nails all the way out to blend in with our natural nails. You want to make sure you get it really good so so it can blend in. The key goal is for it to look like a natural nail. This makes the surface more smoother for your acrylic to be applied and make it look more natural. Okay, so now that we have filed the nails, we're just gonna clip it into the desired shape. Once you want to clip into the desired shape so you can file it, make it easier to file rather. So now we on to the filing process. Woo! Almost done, you guys. Almost done. We're just gonna file each one of your nails. How you want it. You don't have to do it like mine. I'm doing the coffin shape. So we're just gonna do this to each one of our nails, and I'll see you once I'm done with that. Okay, so once you have did that, you're gonna pour your liquid into your dapping dish. You want to get your container out to make your color acrylic. And this is just a video because I had already did it yesterday. So I'm just showing you how I did it the very first time, which is, making it or whatever. You're going to cut your chalk. And then you're going to cut your chalk. I got to place the bed so I won't make a mess. But cut your chalk. Woo. And once you cut your chalk, you want to get ready to cover your chalk up with a plastic bag. And get your hammer so you can beat it. Oh my god, this is what you want to beat it real good so it can be all fine like. Okay, so once you have done that, you want to get your clear, this is very important, get your clear acrylic and pour it into the fine chalk, and you want to shake it up really good. Just shake your body, just shake your body, shake. Okay, so once that's done, we're gonna take our primer. Again, you can find this from your local beauty supply store or Sally's, and we're gonna apply it only to the natural nail. So remember where your natural nail stops and blends with the fake, because that's important as well. You want to take a primer and prime the nail. And now for the test that we all been waiting for, to put this colored acrylic to the test mixed with chalk. Okay, so we're just gonna finish applying the color acrylic, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. You guys, this was our first attempt and it was a fail. So now I'm just gonna try putting some more of that clear acrylic powder from Kiss back in the container, and then we're gonna shake it up and mix it all up. Just shake real good. And once we do that, we're gonna try again, and as you can see, it was a fail. Oh my gosh, you guys, it was a fail for the second attempt. Like I told you guys before, this was my first time trying this. So I was trying this on camera with you guys, realistic results and everything. So now I'm just gonna take my other clear acrylic powder, which is a brand new one as well, and put some in there, and then we're just gonna crush it up with our nail polish top to make it all crunchy and mixed up and everything, to make sure all the grains is out. So we're gonna put this to the test once again and see what happens. You guys, I'm telling you, like, I was like just I kept trying and trying and trying, and I kept applying the acrylic, and I just kept mixing and applying, and I just seemed to not get it right, and it just got so frustrating, so annoying. I try not to show that, but it really got so frustrating and so annoying to the point I wanted to just give up. But I'm not gonna give up on you guys. We're not gonna give up. We're gonna try applying some more powder, and this is like taking all the powder I had, and then we're gonna mix it back up and try it once again. So we're just gonna shake that up, and the clear powder that I was applying then, it was not from Kiss. I'll leave it in the description box which one that was from. I actually love that powder, actually, by the way, better than Kiss. So I'm gonna try it this time, and I really hope it works. Cross your fingers, because at this point I was just annoyed. I was frustrated. I was feeling all types of emotions, because I'm like, oh my gosh, I looked at the video and it seemed I was just like, why wouldn't it work for me? But as you can see, this one was a success, and I couldn't be so much happy. I was so much happy. I couldn't be happier that it was a success. It was thick. It wasn't running like it was. I needed it thick, like, without the chalk. If it was, acrylic powder. But I wanted some more color, which I found is so much easier to take scissors or a knife and just grind it all down in there. It may take a little longer, but it's so much easier and don't have chunks. So now I'm done, and I'm just filing and buffing out those nails to get it all smooth and nice and shaped. And once I was done, I took the top coat. I should have took clear. If you want to take clear, you can. But I took the top coat, and I just applied it on top of the acrylic nails. Later on, which like a week later or something, I'm gonna probably get some clear polish and just put it on top of there, and it'll look so much better. But I'm gonna leave a picture for you guys to see the final results. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. All information will be in the description box. I love you so much, and thank you so much for supporting me. Love you. Bye. See you in the next video.
Yeah, y'all know me. You know like I know. Yeah, y'all know me. I done been alone since I've been me. Then we turn friends to a family. Tell me why it feels like we enemies now. Everybody getting hard feelings. Everybody wanna tell secrets. Somebody should've told me. Need to take 3